Musamseleku didn't tell Mayeni the truth about their relationship with Makumalo because he knows Mayeni is very short-tempered. At that time, Musamseleku and Mayeni, they got married. So Mayeni was not staying in Muzumbe. He says he want to build a house for her. But Musamseleku didn't tell Mayeni the truth that he has two girlfriends, Makumalo and Mangwawe. Musamseleku bring Makumalo in Muzumbe. I don't understand. Maybe Makumalo, she doesn't have a place to stay or at her parents' house. I don't understand what's going on. But with Mangwabe, Musamseleku says Mangwabe have to wait because he has to fix their relationship with Mayeni. So Musamseleku hide that secret to Mayeni. Mayeni asked Masaule what's going on with this girl. Masaule lied to Mayeni that she is a helper. Makumalo doesn't know that Masaule and Musamseleku are lying to Mayeni that she is a helper. That's why Makumalo respond that she never be a helper in Muzumbe. She came as Musamseleku's wife. So there is a confusion because Machele and Mayeni, they think Makumalo was a helper and came and sleep with their husband. But the person who lied to them is Musamseleku. Musamseleku told Mayeni the truth after the wedding. Mayeni was settled staying in Muzumbe, staying at the house Makumalo she built with Musamseleku. So that's why Mayeni, she is very angry because Musamseleku hide things to Mayeni. Mayeni is very short-tempered. They separate at the first time. They are not staying together because of polygamy. So Mayeni accept the polygamy. She was thinking she is the third wife because Mayeni knows Machele and Masaule. Mayeni thinks she is Musamseleku's last wife. Guys, everyone want to be the last wife. Even Mangwawe want to be the last wife. So Mayeni got angry. She heard about Makumalo, that Makumalo is Musamseleku's girlfriend. Mayeni got angry. It took time, Mayeni and Machele, to accept Makumalo as Musamseleku's wife because Musamseleku was the one who told them that is my helper. I don't understand why Musamseleku lied to Machele. But when he came with Mangwawe, he introduced Mangwawe directly. Maybe he was doing it for Mayeni because he introduced Makumalo as his girlfriend to Mayeni after the wedding. Makumalo attended Mayeni's wedding on 2009. Mayeni doesn't know that is Musamseleku's wife. That's why Makumalo, she had a confusion that she came before Mayeni, but she came after Mayeni because Mayeni was already in the picture all the time. Musamseleku was the one who told Mayeni's parents to stay with Mayeni because there is no place to stay. So guys, there is a confusion now, and Musamseleku bring, after introducing Makumalo as his girlfriend to Mayeni, Mayeni got upset. After that, he bring Mangwabe. He doesn't know that Musamseleku at her back there is two wives, two girlfriends, Makumalo and Mangwabe. He bring Mangwabe. So Musamseleku, when he was introducing Mangwabe, he said, Makumalo said, we already know each other. That's why Makumalo doesn't like Mayeni doesn't like Makumalo. Makumalo said we already know each other as Musamseleku's girlfriends, Mangwabe and Makumalo. Mangwabe already in the picture all the time, but Mayeni doesn't know about that issue because Musamseleku knows that Mayeni is a very short-tempered. Musamseleku hide a secret to Machele because at that time Machele was not ready to accept about East Temple, about the polygamy. Even to accept Masaule, Machele was not accepting Masaule with her whole heart like Makwela. So Musamseleku hide is that secret all the time. So now, guys, there is a issue about Makumalo. Makumalo said she came before Mayeni. Musamseleku was explaining to Makumalo that you came after Mayeni about what. Musamseleku explained all those things. So the person who didn't tell his girlfriends the truth is Musamseleku.